Yo, what's up, everybody? I hope you're doing great. We're back at it, GTA, and we're now going back in town. Uh, we were doing some crazy stuff last time. Now we're just going back down, um, going bound back to town. Move around, come on, to see if we can do a job or something like that. Oh shit, we still have the cop. Boom, yo, bye. Oh, we dodge all of them. Yeah. We have a D. We can bypass by here. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Give me your Lambo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's going fast now. Oh, yeah. A nice backfire. Let's just follow the cops. We're gonna lose them soon enough. Nope. Oh, yeah. We just lose them. Boom. Easy. Easy peasy. Okay, now we're back at it. Woo. We're gonna park right here. Yeah, let's see. We're back in town. Can remove that. We don't have any job, so we're gonna make some cow. Oh no, it's top mat. Damn. Everybody's doing something. No more. Yeah, yo, come on, Lamore. Answer the fucking phone.
What's happening, bitch? Sorry I can't come to the phone right now. I'm probably doing some gangster shit. Leave a message.
Yo, nobody's there. God damn. Beverly. Even Michael's house is not there anymore. My car is there. Maybe, no, I don't have enough. That's t-shirt. We have nothing we can do now. We're even broke.
Hello, I am busy changing the world right now, so hit me up later. Here comes the beep.
I'm gonna, something gonna happen soon. Yo, boy, come on. Start answering. Okay. Let's see. There's a number one. Probably should have something to do, no? Huh, Michael? Do you have something to do for me?
You're in.
The map's almost all done. Now I'm over there. The house is there. What's that? Triathlon. Maybe can train a little bit. The cinema. You want me to buy a garage? I cannot.
Debt? You gotta pawn some. This is abuse.
Let's see. Come on.
Michael DeSanta.
Mr. Madrazo. Hey, I just wanted to say I'm working on something. You'll have that money soon.
Good. Well, I wouldn't want to keep you from your work.
Okay, that was not helping. Yeah. Come on. Oh yeah. We got job. We gotta work. Yes, nice. Finally, we have something to do. I was dying, doing nothing, letting me turn crazy.
Don't shoot! I'm just a lonely agent! I didn't do anything to you, please!
Yeah.
Oh, you big! I can get you Corker's tickets!
Yeah, boy. Die. Would you save a life today? Where'd she run off? Where did she run off? She was that fast? God damn. I wanted to kill her myself. It's my town. Like, right there. Boom, 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 boom.
What, you don't see me driving?
Yeah. Yeah, nobody's passing me. I'm the shit, man. I run everywhere. This is my town, boy. Yep. Thank you. You know, we'll just have to pass around here. It's as easy as that. And now we're going to the hospital, I guess. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Oh no, we have to break. Wait, I have to follow them. They're moving. Come on. Anyways, there's cat, so I'm gonna have to kill you, boy. I'm gonna get you. I'm coming. I won't miss this time. Move.
You know how much this car costs? I guess I'm not having a very good day.
Come on. Come on, I'm catching. It's the black VUS. Oh, come on. Okay, the goal was to stop the truck. Go. Yeah, boy.
Do you want to be arrested for obstructing justice?
Sorry.
Move. Move. Oh shit. Yeah, come on. Yeah, boy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. I'm almost dead. Come on. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Die. Might have to steal a car. I don't know. Yeah, let's go. I just stole a police car. Let's go. There's gun in the back. There's money. I don't know. Drug. Let's fucking do this, boy. Yeah, yeah. We can hear the tire and everything. Yeah, yeah. Come on, get me.
The fuck is wrong with you?
Move. Yeah, let's go. Move, move, move. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on. Come on. Make me turn around. Make me turn around. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Move, move, move. There's only the helicopter in our back. We can do this, we can do this, we can do this. Run, run, run. Drive, 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 drive. Faster, faster, always faster. Yeah, there's another police car right there. Good to go, we're good to go. Another one. I don't have the light. I don't have any light. Yep. Yep. Thanks, boy. Thanks, boy. Oh, shit. Thanks, boy. I'm all good to go. Just like that. I ran away from the cops. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah, I knew it. Knew it. Come on. Let's see. Are they coming my way? Do I really have to go towards them? Are they gonna come toward me? What's gonna happen?
I just hope you have proper hatred for yourself.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Easy peasy, easy peasy. In the ass, motherfucker. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. We can do this. Just stole a car. We can escape. Now they're gonna catch us. We have the plan. Everything is done on the map. I should have jumped there. That's not too bad. Getting here. Gonna probably met another cops around here. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah. You cannot stop me, man. Come on, come on, come on. What was that? You shouldn't have seen me. Yep. See ya. You probably should turn. Yeah, gotcha, gotcha. Yeah, boy. Yep, a little bit too much drift. Can escape. Oh boy. Oh, nice one. Wait, how? Yeah, it's gonna catch me really easy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Let me do my amazing work. Pass here, by here, and jump down. How? Let's go, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Dear. That was a fucking damn hard tree. Come on, faster, faster, faster. We need to run away. We need to run away. Let's cut to the road. Boom. Let's get to the next one. Now just cut back down. As easy as that. Nobody gonna see anything. We're all gone. Now, oh yeah. That was some crazy stuff. Let's go. And we did it. Boom. Easy money. A 3.6 K to do. Easy peasy. And we just cool down. We can even put the flash and move, move, move. Everybody stay on the way. Stay on the way. I'm the cop over here. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Gonna harass everybody staying on the road. If you're blocking me, you're going to jail. Yeah, 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 yeah. Move, 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 move. Come on. Come on. Let's do this. Let's go. Come on. Easy, easy. Move, move. Yeah, yeah. Park, park. Move. Get out of the road. Don't just brake on the road. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Move. Get out. Get out the way. Get out the way. Move, 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 move. It's an emergency. An emergency. Fire. Gun. Fire. Gun. Got shot. Got shot. I got shot. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. I need to run. Run. Save my life. Oh shit. My bad. I lost too many blood.
I ain't got time to swap details, asshole.
Yeah, I'm the fucking SWAT man. I'm the police man. I'm you doing a middle finger to me? Yes. Next time, you're dead. I'm gonna kill you. With my 2 own hand. Yeah. Yeah, no thanks, man. You helped me slide. Okay, now we need to go undercover. We need to hide. We need to hide the truck right here. Yeah, baby, yes. Easy money. Come on, Lester.
All right, Lester. I got us the tac team rifles.
All right, then this squad is ready to go.
Yeah.
The crew.
Yeah, let's go. Let's do the job. We can finally do the job. Yeah, let's go. Come on.
All right.